ample experience and extensive knowledge makes the Livar joint stock company an outstanding producer of castings made of grey, nodular and steel cast. Livar's products are widely used in Slovenia and abroad, in agricultural machinery, the automotive industry, machine building, the household appliances industry, and for reinforcements and accessories. A special sewer and drainage casting program is produced under Livar's own brand name. Livar is a company of 50 years of standing. Today, the company has production facilities in Ivančna Gorica and Chernomel, two state-of-the-art foundries with shops for in-house machining. Ivančna Gorica lies along the highway, halfway between Ljubljana and Novo Mesto. The numerous archaeological findings and rich cultural heritage tell about ancient historic tradition. Chernomel is the largest town in the region of Bela Krajina. The old town, with an extensive tradition, lies at the confluence of two rivers, the Lachinja and the Dobličica rivers. In 2005, by acquiring the Topola and Banja Luka foundries, Livar expanded its business operations to Serbia and the Republic of Srpska in Bosnia and Herzegovina. In 2007, Livar opened a modern mechanical processing plant. The Topola Livar Group is a foundry with almost 50 years of experience. The youngest company in the Topola Group is the Livar Machine Processing, continuing Livar's established strategy in providing its clients with high-quality castings. Both companies are located in the heart of Šumadija, around 80 kilometers south of Belgrade. The Jelšingrad Livar steel foundry in Banja Luka has a 70-year-long history. Banja Luka is an industrial, educational, cultural and sports center, since it is the capital of the Republic of Srpska. All four foundries and the machine processing plants are part of the Livar Group. The annual output by its 1,500 employees is 60,000 tons of castings. The production has the advantage of being highly automated, providing adaptability and flexibility, as well as short lead times for cast products. If the customer so requires, the castings are also mechanically processed. Livar pays special attention to the development and growth of the company in all areas. By adapting new market approaches, introducing new technologies, development and education, it fosters partnership relations with its suppliers and clients. In the next 5 years, the group plans to further increase its sales. By acquiring both the Topola and Banja Luka foundries, and by setting up a machine processing plant, Livar implemented part of its vision regarding its growth strategy. This has provided the necessary conditions for the company's growth and meeting of its business objectives. Livar excels in many fields, process control and total quality management being the most important ones. The company has been awarded the following certificates: ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO TS 16949. In 2003, for its achievements in the field of effective energy use, the Livar company was nominated Energy Efficient Company. In 2005, Livar received the Women Manager Friendly Company Award, and in 2007, it received the award for Energetically Efficient Project. The company produces a wide range of castings weighing from half a kilo to 5 tons. It is dedicated to transform ideas from the drawing boards into practice. Here, every little detail counts. The procedures are complex and require great precision. The melt, the vital liquid of a foundry, slowly runs into molds and passes through various stages, from the liquid phases to the final product. castings for a wide variety of uses. In order to make a quality product, the company manages the entire process, from the input materials to the final product, by constantly monitoring and supervising the defined parameters in its own laboratories and across the entire production process. Based on the client's requirements, Livar mechanically processes castings by implementing state-of-the-art CNC technology, while deliveries can be made literally to the client's door. Livar's range of products targets several branches of industry. The share of processed castings is increasing steadily. Customers appreciate the wide and versatile range of products. The company markets most of its products in the EU, in addition to Slovenia, mostly in Italy and Germany. Its castings are indispensable in the automotive industry, agricultural machinery, the household appliances industry, railway carriage equipment, mining industry and petroleum industry. Also, products manufactured for the Slovene clients are indirectly sold abroad. Livar is well known for its own sewer and drainage castings products. It holds an 80% share on the Slovene market. Nevertheless, its products are also known abroad. Livar's experts are constantly engaged in developing new products and researching new technologies, while closely following ecological standards. Thus, together with its suppliers, developing environment-friendly materials. Environmental concerns are among the company's principal guidelines. In recent years, it continuously invested in the protection of man and the environment. Livar keeps following simple guidelines. It tackles the problem of burdening the environment by reducing pollution right at its source. For example, by using liquid oxygen, the use of coke is reduced, and the residual heat coming from the dome furnace is used for heating business premises and workshops. Thus, the working conditions have considerably improved, while contributing to the gradual increase in the quality of the living environment. Livar's waste does not open new wounds in the environment, since the company recycles and reuses it for other purposes. A few years ago, Livar set up a pilot waste treatment project by using plant at the Suchimost foundry sand landfill in cooperation with the National Institute of Biology and non-governmental environmental organizations. Reforestation and replanting is gradually restoring the former appearance of the landscape, while at the same time the effect of meteoric waters is reduced. Continuous education and training play an important role in the development of the company. The majority of the employees participate in educational programs that enable them to instantly apply their knowledge at work. This also encourages teamwork and fosters good interpersonal relations. Livar builds on knowledge and experience, flexibility and adaptability, innovative and effective approaches and success. Livar is a state-of-the-art and recognized European company, which is quick to respond to its clients' requirements as well as changes in the environment.